Your Schlage BE365 Keypad Deadbolt has been tested for reliable performance up to 1 million cycles. No other brand can match the proven security of Schlage locks. Plus, Schlage engineers designed and built the keypad for long-term use with maximum security. Under normal usage conditions, keypad buttons will not wear, discolor, or reveal which numbers are pressed frequently. Thousands of hours of testing also prove the keypad's resistance to corrosion, weather, abrasion, and even pressure washing. This lock promises to keep your home and family safe for years. For your safety and convenience, you can illuminate the keypad by touching the Schlage button. To operate your BE365 Keypad Deadbolt from outside, simply enter a valid 4-digit user code. The Schlage button will turn green. When you see the green light, rotate the exterior thumb turn toward the hinges to retract the deadbolt. To lock the BE365 Keypad Deadbolt from outside, simply press the Schlage button once, then rotate the exterior thumb turn away from the hinges and toward the door jamb until you hear the deadbolt click into place. If you enter an invalid user code, the Schlage button will flash red and the lock will not operate. After 4 attempts with an invalid user code, you will hear 5 high and low beeps. Then the lock automatically shuts down. You must wait 30 seconds before you can enter another user code. One of the unique features of your Schlage BE365 Keypad Deadbolt is the free-moving thumb turn. When your door is locked, the exterior thumb turn will rotate freely without retracting the deadbolt. You must enter a valid user code to engage the lock. This security feature limits a vandal's ability to exert excessive force to break the thumb turn and enter your home. Your BE365 Keypad Deadbolt also features a manual key override. To unlock, push the key into the thumb turn to recess the cylinder and rotate it 90 degrees toward the door hinges. To relock, push the key into the thumb turn to recess the cylinder and rotate it 90 degrees away from the door hinges. The technology behind your BE365 Keypad Deadbolt allows the lock to operate with extremely low power consumption. A premium quality 9-volt alkaline battery should last approximately 3 years under average family usage. When the battery power is low, your BE365 Keypad Deadbolt will alert you. When you enter a valid user code, the lock will emit high and low beeps, and the Schlage button will briefly flash red, then green. There will be a slight delay before the door unlocks. When you see these signs, it is time to change your battery. If the Schlage button on your keypad begins blinking red, even when no codes have been entered, your battery is critically low and must be replaced immediately. The keypad will not open the lock when power is critically low. To replace the battery on your BE365 Keypad Deadbolt, remove the 2 mounting screws from the inside assembly and set the assembly and screws aside. Replace the used battery with a new premium quality 9-volt alkaline battery and return it to its compartment. Make sure to carefully tuck the battery cable back into place. Then put the inside assembly unit back in position. For your convenience, your Schlage BE365 Keypad Deadbolt features a flash memory. This means your programming code, user codes, and settings remain active during a battery change. No reprogramming is necessary. Designed for ease of use, programmed for security, and built for long-lasting performance, your new Schlage BE365 Keypad Deadbolt is in touch with the way you live.